Today we're making a dinner that tastes like summer. Grilled flank steak and a peach panzanella salad.
Hi there, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and Aside, where my sister Laura and I share our favorite dinner combos. I am really looking forward to the meal that we have for you today. The steak is so simple. It is super juicy with just the right amount of char. And the side salad is perfect for peach season. It's packed with crispy bread, sweet peaches, and a delicious vinaigrette that ties the whole thing together. I'm on steak duty today, obviously. I've got 2 pounds of flank steak here and my grill pan, so I'm ready to go. We're gonna keep things super simple today. We just want salt and pepper on both sides, nothing fancy. Flank steak has a lot of flavor on its own, so we don't need to do too much. By the way, flank steak isn't the only cut that you can make here. I always say go by what you can find on sale, but also what you like the best. So you could use a flat iron steak, a bavette, or even a ribeye. I'm gonna heat my cast iron grill pan on medium high. It needs to be nice and hot so that the steak gets a good sear. So while this is heating up, Laura's gonna start the salad.
Meanwhile, I'm over here trying to turn stale bread into a salad. But seriously, panzanella is what I do with all the stale bread in my house. It's such a versatile salad and it's a great way to use up old bread and seasonal produce. Tear up the bread into pieces. You're gonna want a rustic look here. And we need about 2 cups of it. Then just toss that torn bread with olive oil and some garlic powder. Once it's well coated, you can spread it out on the baking sheet. We're gonna bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's nice and crispy. You can also do the bread in the air fryer. I put them on for about 360 from 3 to 4 minutes. You don't wanna overdo it. While the bread's cooking, we can mix up some quick pickled onions. In a small saucepan, heat the water, vinegar, and sugar until the sugar is just fully dissolved. Pack those onions into a jar and pour the hot liquid right over the top. Just set that aside to cool. Next up is the peaches. You want them to be ripe, but still pretty firm so that they can grill well. If they're overly ripe, they'll be too juicy for the grill. So you can just cut it around the middle and then twist it apart and you can remove the pit. Then you can slice each half into about 4 to 6 pieces. It really depends on the size of your peach. That's perfect. You can get about 6 pieces out of each side, so 12 pieces. You probably want about 2 peaches in your salad. Perfect. Then we can grill these up. You can put them on your outdoor grill if you want to. I'm gonna cook them on my cast iron grill pan inside. I'm gonna put the peaches on the grill for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, just long enough to get some nice grill marks. Make sure the pan is nice and hot before you put the peaches on. These are gonna be great. I'll let these cook. Back to you, Angie.
This pan is hot, so let's grill. We're going for a good sear here. 4 minutes per side about for medium rare. We want a good golden crust on here, so don't move it around. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. I'll flip these over and it'll be ready in no time.
Okay, peaches are done and so is the bread. Let's get this thing mixed up. I've got some nice arugula here on the plate and I'm just gonna add some halved cherry tomatoes. Just spread those around. And we'll pile up those pieces of bread, spread them all out. And then the peaches. This is looking fantastic.
Well, don't forget the dressing. That's where the magic happens here. It turns it from just stuff in a bowl to salad.
Right, we don't want that. So let's mix up a quick vinaigrette. This is 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. All right, give that a mix. I love this dressing. It's so easy to make, the flavor is spot on, and it is so good on this salad. Let's just drizzle some on. Don't forget those quick pickled onions we made earlier. They're sharp and sweet and totally worth this extra step. Doesn't that look wonderful? I'm just gonna give it a try. It's just what summer should taste like. It's bright and flavorful, little bit of crunch. It's perfect.
All right, that does look really great, but don't eat it all before I can get the steak done. I'm just letting it rest a little bit so all those great juices don't end up on the cutting board. Give it 5 minutes, then slice it across the grain. This is perfectly cooked to medium rare.
You didn't even set off the smoke alarm this time.
That only happened one time. Jeez. Never gonna let me forget it, are you?
Well, you did just make a perfect steak, so I think I can let it go this time.
Hey, that's progress, right? Seriously though, this steak is tender and non-fussy. This dish looks like it belongs in a restaurant, but we made it at home with minimal chaos and no reservations required.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for even more dinner recipes to try, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of our next video.